Hi, my name's Anderson. I'm a product marketing manager here at ZoomInfo, and today I want to share with you one of my favorite features of the ZoomInfo platform, and that's how we can filter your ZoomInfo searches based off of data that exists in your CRM or your MAT. So I'm really excited to show you what this looks like in action, and then show you as an admin user how you can get this set up for all of your ZoomInfo users. So let's look at how to build a search using these filters. So my organization has a pretty full tech stack. My sales department uses Salesforce. My marketing department uses HubSpot. And I want to target net new directors of IT accounts in one of our Strat account managers' Salesforce accounts so that I can look for opportunities to expand within those accounts. But I want to be sure to filter out any contacts in HubSpot or they might be involved in other campaigns. It's a pretty tall task that normally would take spreadsheets and VLOOKUP fields and all sorts of that stuff. But we can do it really quickly within the ZoomInfo platform using the filters over here on the left. So the first thing I want to do is come to the Salesforce filters. You can see I can filter by a number of different objects. I can filter by account, contact, lead, even opportunity data. We're going to look up accounts that are owned by a specific rep. So we're going to search for that person here, pull up a list of all of their accounts. And you can see that they have 196 accounts that we have found in the ZoomInfo platform that belong to this person in Salesforce. And we flagged them here with a Salesforce icon. And if we were to click that Salesforce icon, it would actually take us to this record in Salesforce. If we just want to access some of that information while we're in ZoomInfo, if you click on the blank space around one of these records, it'll pop open the full record. And you'll get to see all sorts of information, like who the Salesforce account owner is. We can see this one also exists in HubSpot, who the HubSpot account owner is. The same thing is true on contacts as well. We give you that visibility right on the ZoomInfo record. So now that we've got the right set of accounts up, we want to look for a specific kind of contact. If we click over to the contacts view here, this is the total number of ZoomInfo contacts that exist within those companies. And again, the ones that already exist within a system of record will be flagged here because we have matched those against contacts that exist within my instance of Salesforce. We want to filter down specifically to a particular kind of contact here. So I'm going to use the contact filters for that. And let's find directors of IT within those accounts that are owned by this particular rep. Gets us down to 3,100 possible contacts, but I can see that some of these already exist within HubSpot. I want to filter all of those out and just get the net new so that we're not running campaigns to these folks that are already in our HubSpot. We just want net new folks. And this is where it gets really cool because I'm not aware of any other tool that can instantly compare millions of records across multiple systems and then allow the kind of granularity that these filters can. So whereas before we included by a particular account owner, this time we're going to exclude any owned contacts, but within HubSpot. So we're looking at two different systems of record here, looking up accounts by Salesforce, excluding contacts by HubSpot, and now we've gotten down to a tight list of about 2,900 that we can have our marketing team design a campaign around for specifically threading this particular rep's set of accounts. The possibilities, I think, are nearly endless when you're using these kind of filters in combination with one another. It's a way to make sure that the data that you have in ZoomInfo and the data that you already have in your systems of record are playing nicely with one another, saves you a lot of time, allows you to get laser focused on your searches and spend less time trying to find, are these the right contacts at the right companies at the right moment in time, and more time actually having a go-to-market motion built around those, knowing that they're the right folks at the right companies at the right time. All right, to set this up as an admin user, you're going to come over into the admin portal. And there are a couple of steps to setting this up, but it won't take you very long. The first thing you want to do is come to company settings. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to find Salesforce, HubSpot, Marketo. These are all the different filtering options you have here. Just toggle on the ones you want your users to be able to utilize. That's going to make the icons visible in the platform, and it's going to make the filter trays visible in advanced search, the ones that we were using on the left-hand side there. Now, to actually set up that matching so that we can see which records and objects exist, we need to go over here to integrations. And you'll have to do this for each of those integrations that you just toggled on there. I'll just show you on one. The steps are the same. You'll click Manage, and then that very first tab you come to that says Filtering, you just want to toggle on the different records that you want to be able to filter by and have visibility into. And then we will run either a weekly or a daily sync, however you set that up, and be able to match against the information that is within your record. And all we're doing here is we're taking a peek inside your instance and seeing what contacts, what accounts, what leads already exist in your instance, and then flagging those in ZoomInfo so that you can filter off that information. So that's it. It's really that easy, just those two steps, and all of your ZoomInfo users will be able to start filtering on the different systems of record that you already have in place. All right? Great. Have a great day.